I am Priyanka and I will be giving you few tips on how to study economics for CS Foundation program. Tip 1. Read the material. It is very important for you to read the material given by the institute completely once and then to focus on the main concepts. Because once you know every concept, it will be very easy for you to solve MCQ, and when you do not know the answer or when you're not able to recall the answers, you will be able to eliminate the answers and solve the MCQ easily. Tip 2. Reading macroeconomics. Give a lot of reading to macroeconomics because it contains a lot of numerical data and years to remember. So frequent reading will help you remember and recall such points easily. Tip 3. Solve MCQs. It is very important for you to stay calm before your exam and solve n number of MCQ, because once you solve MCQs, you will have an idea of how the questions will appear in the exam and how you need to study. And please do solve the MCQs that are given behind your institute material. Tip 4. Concentrate on diagrams. It is very important for you to concentrate on diagrams or charts that are given because there will be few questions that will be asked. Example, contraction and expansion of demand or different cost curves. So know how the curves change with the change in conditions. Tip 5. Learn definition. It is very important for you to learn the definition, the person who has defined it, and once you learn it, know that one specific word that defines that you can remember easily, because once you're solving the MCQ, you can easily attach that word with the definition. Tip 6. Understand the concepts. Conceptual understanding is very important. Once you've understood the concepts thoroughly, it will be very easy for you to answer any kind of questions that will be asked on that concept. For example, demand concept. When you know the change in demand or the change in price, you can answer the questions easily. Once the price increases, the demand decreases. In the other way, when price decreases, demand increases. So when you've understood the concept completely, you will be even able to solve the numerical problems asked on demand. Tip 7. Know the formula. It is very important for you to know the formula because even if they ask 2 to 3 questions on problems, it is always an added advantage because one question carries 2 marks. Tip 8. Remember the numbers or events. In macroeconomics, I personally suggest you to read it twice or thrice completely because you will have a lot of numbers or years to remember. So like GDP rates or literacy rate, or you have to know events such as when the green revolution has happened, white revolution has happened and other such datas. Tip 9. Understand and prepare your own notes. It is very important for you to understand the concepts, and once you've understood the concepts, sit and prepare your own notes because it will be very easy for you as you will be writing down in the way you will be able to understand. And once you have written this will be the one you will be referring before going to exam, and trust me, this is really helpful. Tip 10. Take up mock tests. Even if you haven't studied, I suggest you to take up mock test regularly because once you attend such test, you will know what kind of questions that will appear in the exam and where you stand and how much more efforts you need to apply to solve MCQs. With these tips, I am sure you'll be able to pass with flying colors. So all the best guys. If you have any queries or doubts, please comment below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and like the video.